Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Trice, back with a new video. And in today's video, we're gonna get our hair off our neck because spring has sprung and summertime soon come, and I don't want my hair on my neck. So if you don't want your hair on your neck either and you want something cute and quasi-elegant, you know what I'm saying, you can wear this every day or you can wear it as a special occasion type do. It's super easy. I saw it on Instagram somewhere on one of those natural hair pages and I was like, well, I'm gonna try that too. If you want to see how I do it, how you can do it too, then keep on watching and I will catch you on the other side. Okay, so all you're going to need for this style is a nylon string. I use a nylon string. If you want to use one of those like large elastic bands, go right ahead, but I like my nylon string. It gives me more control. It doesn't rip my hair, it doesn't pull. I control the tension. Then you're gonna need some edge control. I use my Eco Gel and the Style Factor Edge Booster. And then what else do you need? Oh, a tiny bobby pin. Don't know if you can see this, hopefully you can. If you don't have a tiny bobby pin, then a regular sized bobby pin will be just fine. I only have a white one on me right now. Oh, you can't see that, but this is the size comparison. The white bobby pin is the tiny, is the normal size, and the black one is the tiny bobby pin. You only need a tiny bobby pin, but again, if you don't have a tiny bobby pin, then a regular sized bobby pin will do just fine. This style does not have to be done on super detangled hair, but stretched hair would be a better deal. I wish my hair was a little more stretched, but whatever, we're gonna work with what we got. So let's just get right on into it. And you're gonna start by gathering all your hair up. Make sure your hair is moisturized too before you do this. I just didn't find it necessary to moisturize my hair on camera. All right, so once you've gathered all of your hair up, you don't mind the caked up gel and stuff in my hair because it's none of your business. But then you want to grab your nylon string or elastic band, whatever it is that you use. Just want to make sure you get it all up. Like I said, so it doesn't have to be super detangled, but you do want to get it up there. You want to make sure that your hair is able to be molded, functioned, moved, whatever the case. All right, so now you want to take your nylon string, put it, don't want it behind my head? No, I'm putting it in front of my head. You're going to tie it behind your head. And then you're going to just slide it up and pull. Okay, so this is good enough for me. Now I'm just going to tie it around itself and then tie it in a bow in the back. And then I'm just going to tuck the bow in so that you don't see the strings. So now you have this weird ponytail type thing. And essentially what you're going to do is like anywhere between 4 and 8 chunky 2-strand twists. That's it. They could be however big or however small you want them to be, but try to keep them loose because you need the volume for the middle. So this is a good size. This is a good size. It's nice, fat, hefty, you know, that's a weight on it. Yeah, good size, good size. So I'm probably gonna end up doing about 5 of them. 5 sounds like a good number for what I got going on. They don't have to be neat, they don't have to be pretty, they don't have to be perfect. But you do want them to look like twists. Okay, so now that you have your twists, you're just gonna take them and gather them all at the top by their ends. You're gonna twist the ends together, and this is where your tiny bobby pin comes in. And you're just gonna pin it down in there. Now, what you can do is either fluff them out more, or you could take some hairpins and pin them together. I think I'm gonna fluff mine out a little bit more and see what that does for me. Yeah, I think I'm just fluff them out a little bit more. Or maybe I'll do both. So yeah, if they don't come together right, then you just take some hairpins, and hairpins are the open ones. Bobby pins are the closed ones. If I could just get this thing out. All right, so this is a hairpin. So I'm gonna take a hairpin and I'm gonna just close it on up. And I'll probably stick one between each little section. Make sure it's closed. Let me get down so y'all can see what I'm doing. All right, so I think I'm cool. Now, if you're like me, next step is edges. So I'm going to, I think I'm just gonna fast forward this. You know what, I'm gonna do this off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice, and as always, if you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Subscribe to my channel, join Mon Petites if you have not. Make sure that your notification bell is on once you have hit that subscribe button, and follow me on Instagram at callme_Trice, same name across the board. If you're looking for me, you're gonna find she. Real quick, my earrings are from Hoop Dreams by Jay. Lashes are from Fat Lash by Trice. All the links will be in the description box, so it is easy access for you to just click some things and go buy some stuff. This is not paid. This is not a sponsored thing or whatever, you know what I'm saying? I just got stuff to plug, so we gonna plug it. I think that's all there is to say. Let me think. Yep, that's it. And there is no more, except as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah. Bye guys.